Hey guys, welcome back to Working Mama Lifestyle Vlogs. If you are a first-time viewer, my name is Reema and I am making motivating videos for moms like me that work part-time and need motivation to live our best lives. We like to stay motivated and organized on my channel, so if that sounds like something you need in your life too, go ahead and click the subscribe button and become a part of this great supportive community. I would love to have you join. In today's Clean With Me video, I'm focusing on the upstairs, which is the bedrooms, and then I'm also doing a quick wipe down of the bathrooms. So in my fantasy life, I would be able to do the entire house in one day, but realistically with everyone in the house, which is 7 of us, it's just impossible. So what I found helpful is to no longer live in my fantasy life and just break down my tasks throughout the week. For example, one day I may spend cleaning the downstairs, one the upstairs, and honestly, if I can't really clean, I like to at least tidy up the spaces. And I found that this helps a lot with anxiety and helps from my to-do list becoming too long. So I'm starting in my bedroom and I'm just going to quickly make the bed and then put away this pile of laundry that I was too sleepy to put away the night before and just dumped it here. I'm going to put all of this away and then I'm going to move into my dresser. I have 2 drawers there that I want to be able to tidy up, organize, and just declutter a little bit. Alright, so one of the things that have been on my list is to just kind of go through my t-shirts and my tank tops. I have a lot of really old stuff in there and just things that I don't wear anymore. So what I've been doing is kind of going section by section, like drawer by drawer, instead of doing everything at the same time. I did do my closet in a spring cleaning series. I'll link that below in the description box, and I'll also put it in a card up here for you if you want to click on that. That was a complete declutter of my closet. But as far as my drawers, I kind of been doing a couple every day instead of doing everything at one time. So I'm going to go through these 2 drawers right here. One has t-shirts, one has tank tops, and I'm just going to get rid of whatever I don't wear anymore and what I don't need and what doesn't fit me anymore.
Buy what I want, I don't want it. Do what I like, I don't like it. My life is a mess, screaming with boredom. I don't feel nothing when I'm buzzing. Someone adds some glamorous hurt. 'Cause when I sleep alone for insomnia, they say you have to be beaten up before you're tender enough. They say you have to bruise to feel. I don't taste it, obsessing over dress when I split. Shoot me a blink, I'm dying from boredom. I even lie when I tell the truth. Honestly, what's the use? They say you have to be beaten up before you're tender enough. They say you have to bruise to feel. I must be made out of steel. Conversation, and you seem to agree with me, but when there's complications, you withdraw and leave me to be. When there's a problem, you become like a wall, and every time I trip, it's a free fall. Why don't you help me the way I help you? You don't have to save me, just be my parachute. When I'm feeling down, you're just not there, making sure I'm okay. Why don't you help me the way I help you?
Okay, so I didn't get rid of nearly as much as I usually do when I do declutters and stuff, is because we haven't had weather yet to where I can actually wear like short sleeve t-shirts and tank tops, so I'm not quite sure what I'm going to like when it gets warm again here. So, but I mean, for now, I guess this is good. That's better than nothing.
I grew up and I'm bitter. 0 out of 3 now. Thought that I'd be quicker, but I'm heading out that way for sure. Said that you'd be waiting, and now it's been too long. Been too long. I wish that we could turn back time, back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls and now tomboy t-shirts. When life was good and the worn out sneakers. When we were fine about the complications. Those were the days in the tomboy t-shirts.
For my bathroom, I'm just going to quickly wipe down the countertop and the sinks with a 409 disinfectant, and also wipe down the mirrors with a vinegar wash, and that's pretty much it besides vacuuming the bathroom floor.
Been too long, been too long. I wish that we could turn back time, back to all of those nights.
I do like to give the bathrooms a deep clean once a week, and I have so many other videos that show exactly how I do it. I will link some in the description box and up in the cards for you if you want to watch those. But I do give the bathrooms a really good scrub down at least once a week and make sure that I get everything clean so that I can stay on top of the dirt and the grime and everything that happens in bathrooms.
Dirt on my jeans and sing good old snapback, floating through the street like holding your hand tight. Dirt on my jeans and sing good old snapback, floating through the street like. I wish that we could turn back time, back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls. I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here? I'm feeling down.
I don't think I've ever shown this area on my videos. This is right outside the master bedroom door and next to the kids' bathroom. It's just kind of a weird hallway space, and I do have this little table here. And then while I was dusting it, I realized that I do have an extra lamp, and I went and I grabbed that and put it up here just to give the hallway a little more of a cozy feel and to add some decor in the area. And I think it looks kind of cute. Tell me what you guys think in the comment section below.
But baby, I'm so high.
So for the kids' bathroom, I am also wiping down the countertops with the 409, and I wanted to also do the mirror and to do a little bit more of a wipe down in this bathroom. But then my son came in and said he wanted to take a shower, and that is an example of what's been happening lately since everybody is home all the time. Once I get started on a task and I think I'm going to get something done, it gets interrupted, and that is completely fine. I know that the schedule is upside down right now, so I try to get I try to get what I can done. And like I was saying before, it may start out thinking that I can get all of this stuff done, and then something happens and I just can't get to it, and that's fine. I'll just do it the next day or maybe later on in the day. It's really no big deal. But I'm finding that you kind of have to go with the flow and just, maybe you can't stick to your usual routine, but you can do whatever it is that you can, and then it's fine. There was another day, you can still get it done the next day. It's not that big of a deal.
Slow it down. Slow it down.
So usually the kids are really good with keeping their bedrooms clean. I only get in here once a week to really wipe everything down and make sure that everything is good. And I found that going into their bedrooms and just checking on things and doing maybe a little bit more deeper clean than what they do kind of helps me keep on top of what they're doing. So if I like for my daughter, my youngest one, the one that's on the top bunk, she always sneaks in snacks and things when she knows she's not supposed to. So going in here and just checking around and getting, you know, and me cleaning helps me see what exactly they are doing. So I recommend that. Even if you have older children and their responsibility is to keep their room clean, still go in there and check and maybe do a deep clean once or twice a week in their bedrooms, because it helps you keep on top of what their schedules have been like and what exactly they're doing in their rooms when you think things are okay. You might find snacks, you might find, I don't know, things that they're not supposed to have in their bedrooms but they take up anyway. So like I said, it just kind of helps me see exactly what it is that they are doing.
My heart is at war with my thoughts. Oh, and I don't know which side is better. I try to connect all the dots. Oh, to let you in behind my shelter. You could fit into my life when it's daylight and it's night. I would give away my soul, but is it worth it? I don't know. I don't know. Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper blade? You said, where can I find your love? Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper blade? Either come close or stay away. Oh, these words are echoing inside of me. Astray. Well, give me clarity so I can see. You could fit into my life when it's daylight and it's night. I would give away my soul, but is it worth it? I don't know. I don't know. Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper blade? You said, where can I find your love? Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper blade? You said, where can I find your love? 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 Where can I find your love that don't?
So now I'm just going to empty the dishwasher and then reload it, and I'm finding that I'm doing this twice a day now because of the way things are now. So I am doing this twice a day, and I'm going to get this done, and then I'm going to move on to making dinner. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video and it gave you some motivation and maybe some home cleaning tips, and that it helps you see that not everything goes as planned, because in this video clearly things did not go as I had planned. But I am so happy that you joined me today, and like I said, I hope that you found this video helpful. If you would like, please subscribe and click the like button for me. Let me know that you like cleaning motivation videos and home organization videos, homemaker videos, all of that good stuff. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video, and I'll see you in the comment section below. Bye.
Tell you what you did wrong.